Hi everyone, I am Maz Abawath.
I am Mohammed Abawath.
And I'm Ibrahim Abawath, and we are the Abawath Real Estate Group, your favorite team of realtors. Welcome to 86 Nations Avenue, located in Scarborough.
Whether you're first-time buyers or investor, or simply looking into moving into a fantastic neighborhood, then this home is the right choice you do not want to miss.
This beautiful bungalow has 3 bedrooms on the main floor, and it also includes a finished basement with a separate entrance and 3 more rooms downstairs. This is a fantastic opportunity to own a turnkey home that not only gives you a lot of room upstairs, but will also give you a consistent rental income of up to $2,000 a month. You can live upstairs and rent the basement, or you can rent both. It's entirely up to you. I'd love to show you guys what this looks like, so let's go inside and take a look.
It features a brand new deck built with composite flooring, a 3-gable pavilion, and it also has a 4K security system installed that will keep your family protected.
We hope you've enjoyed walking through this beautiful home. For more information, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.